Translocation in plants. In this lesson, we're going to look at the mechanism of translocation, an energy-requiring process transporting assimilates, especially sucrose, in a phloem between sources, e.g. leaves, and the sinks, e.g. roots and meristem. Translocation is the movement of assimilates, especially sucrose and amino acids, throughout the plant. It is an active process requiring ATP. But what are assimilates? Well, assimilates are substances made by the plant using substances absorbed from the environment, such as the making of glucose during photosynthesis from carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen. The assimilates are loaded into the phloem sieve tubes at the source. A source is any part of the plant that loads sucrose into the sieve tubes. This could be potato tubers loading it in the roots in spring to allow the plant to grow, or the leaf which has made glucose by photosynthesis. The assimilates are then removed from the sieve tube elements at the sink. This is an area of a plant where the sucrose could be used for respiration, growth in a meristem, or converted to starch for storage in a root. In the loading stage at the source, sucrose is loaded by an active process using energy from ATP. The companion cells use the energy to actively transport hydrogen ions out of the cell, increasing the concentration of hydrogen ions outside the cell compared to the inside. This creates a concentration gradient. Due to this concentration gradient, hydrogen ions diffuse back into the cell through special co-transporter proteins, which only allow the movement of the hydrogen ions if they are in the presence of sucrose molecules. This is co-transport or facilitated diffusion. It is also secondary active transport or indirect active transport, as it has occurred due to the reactive transport of the hydrogen ions out of the cell in the first place. Due to this co-transport of sucrose into the companion cells, the concentration of sucrose increases in the cell, so it now diffuses through plasmodesmata into the sieve tube. Sucrose and other assimilates making up the sap move along the plant by mass flow, up or down the plant as required. This movement is brought about by a difference in hydrostatic pressure, which causes a pressure gradient. At the source, the sucrose enters the sieve tube, and this reduces the water potential. In other words, it makes it more negative. And so water moves into the sieve tube by osmosis and increases the hydrostatic pressure. At the sink, where the sucrose is needed, the sucrose either moves out by diffusion or by active transport. As the sucrose moves out, it increases the water potential in the sieve tube. In other words, it makes it less negative. So water will also move out by osmosis, and therefore the hydrostatic pressure inside the sieve tube decreases. When answering questions about translocation, you must make sure you use your buzzwords. Obviously translocation, but assimilation, the sink, the source, co-transport, facilitated diffusion, sieve tubes, and companion cells.